If you have been craving that silky and thick Greek yogurt, come closer, let me show you how I made this. Hey faves, welcome back to my kitchen, a place where we turn the basic into luxury. I started by adding 3 cups of powdered milk into a bowl. For this recipe, I used full cream milk. I went ahead and added 6 cups of hot water to the milk. For every 1 cup of milk, you need 2 cups of hot water. Using my hand whisk, I whisked this thoroughly until all the milk completely dissolved and lump free. To make sure this mixture was super smooth, I poured it through a sieve to get out any lump. No surprises allowed in my yogurt. Once it cools a little, I skim off the layer of fat that has risen to the top. This step is optional, but I want my yogurt to be very smooth. To confirm that this is ready, I do a deep test by putting one of my fingers and leaving it for a few seconds. If I can tolerate it, it means it is ready. We don't want it to be cold or hot. Next, you scoop out a portion of warm milk into a bowl. You do not want to add your culture directly, so we do this: scoop out a portion into a bowl and then we add our culture to that little portion. I use store-bought yogurt starter. I mix this together until it is completely dissolved. Proceed to add this culture into the main bowl. You stir together for everything to completely mix. Then we cover this with a towel. You can just use an airtight bowl if you don't have a towel. After covering this, we'll be wrapping with a black nylon. You can also wrap with a towel. I'm using a nylon because I don't have a towel big enough for this. Or better still, just use an airtight container and proceed to put this in a warm place. I'm putting this in my oven. Of course, it's not turned on. And you leave that for about 10 hours. I left mine overnight. The next morning, this is what we have. Our yogurt has completely fermented and set. If you're going for regular yogurt, you can stop at this step. You can sweeten it if that's what you want. But I was going for Greek yogurt. So I poured this into my cheesecloth and tied it for you to strain. To strain this, I put it in the fridge. Please do not strain on your countertop. You can strain overnight, but I strained mine for about 6 hours. Ta-da! Look at all the way that we got. Our Greek yogurt is finally ready. This is your sign to make your own Greek yogurt. Try it and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more recipes.